Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Okay, I'm done with chem class and now I have chem lab. Oh my gosh, I look so tired. In about half an hour, so I'm going to get a snack and make my bed. And the snack will be a Power Crunch bar. Okay, I'm going to make my bed and listen to a podcast. The best podcast ever. This is exactly right. It's Penny's Gotcha Day. 4 years. 4 years ago I got you, Penelope. Yeah. 4 years I made the best decision of my entire life. Oh my gosh. You are perfect. You're the perfect decision. You and your brother. Yes. Especially you too. Great yawn. You're tired on your Gotcha Day. So 4 years ago, my friends and I in college drove 5 hours? Yeah, I think it was 5 hours each way to Pennsylvania to get Miss Penny. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, we drove 5 hours, picked her up, and then I think we stopped at like a PetSmart on the way, and then brought her home. And we've been through 4 apartments together. And lived in my parents' house. We've been apart. Yeah, we've been together. And you're my best friend in the whole wide world. Did you know that? Yes, you are. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off because she doesn't like the camera. I am done with chem lab. It took me a really long time because I ran into an issue with sig figs because I still get so frustrated with sig figs. If anyone understands my struggle, you get it. But I just had to take an L on a question because it just, I'm not even gonna get into it. It just made no sense. Right? It made no sense, Penny. Anyways, I have lifting with my coach at 1:30, so I'm probably going to eat something like lunch beforehand. I've just kind of been grazing all day. I had that Power Crunch bar and then I had pretzels, and I really just want like peanut butter on bread and like maybe some yogurt, so probably that's what I'll make for lunch. Health. Okay,
I'm gonna go make lunch.
Okay, I just took an exam and I finished. I don't know how I did. We had to like take a picture of our work and upload it, so I'll find out hopefully really soon, maybe by Monday, but just cleaned up my workspace and I think I'm gonna be done. I don't have any homework or anything like that. Everything's crossed off. Dan says that my notebook really stresses him out. Everyone says that I'm doing a little bit too much, but I say I just need a bigger notebook and it won't look as stressful. But also I'm definitely doing too much and driving myself into the ground, but it's okay. Everything, hold on. I'm gonna be OCD for a second. Everything's good. Hey. I was kind of having a shitty morning, so I decided to go for a run and I feel so much better. And then I came home to this. Sleeping little angel. Look at that. You're so cute, Penny. Completely forgot that I was vlogging, but I'm just sitting here doing homework and I'm on call, so my radio is right there. Fun stuff. Hold on, there's an airplane. Okay, I have 2 hours before I have to be on call, and I finished therapy and a quiz that I thought was going to take a lot longer than it did. So I'm gonna go get myself some Starbucks. Yeah, I'm not showing my face because I look disgusting. Okay guys, Dan is about to finally come home for the weekend and Penny is gonna freak out, so I'm gonna try and get it on video, but I don't know, I might just be so excited that I don't capture it, but she's gonna be so excited. Your dad's coming home. Yeah, your dad's coming home.
Hi. 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 You trying to tell mom I'm home? Yeah. She's like, look, mom.
Look at these two. Hi, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, buddy.
Good kisses. Just waiting on your dad. He's getting us Dunkin'. Where is he, Pen? Sometimes she sees people, or all the time she sees people, and then she growls. Like that. Okay, yeah. You told him. You told him. Oh, my hair's wet because I just showered. We went for a run. Wow, my hair looks so gross. Are you driving? We're stopped. Don't worry. Is that your dad? Okay, careful, careful. Hello.
What's up?
Not much. Thanks for the coffee.
No problem. Thanks for the lunch.
No prob.
How is it?
So good.
I like these blue straws. Penny likes them too. Look. Penny, what's this straw? Wow.
I can feel her tail wagging. You know where we are? Puppacino? Yeah? Are you excited? You live the life, girl. Look at you. Hi. I think she knows. Yum. I took a little break. Yum. How are you gonna get in there? Oh, you have it on you. Look. Okay. Yum. I asked for a really small puppuccino. Yes, okay. There you go. We don't let her eat the whole thing because she's so little, but I know it's so yummy.
This is super comfy.
Yeah. All right, on to the next.
No for me, dog.
It's not my favorite.
Would like something with the shades.
Yeah, the other one that we liked didn't have a shade.
No shades. Sick. Keep looking.
Keep dancing with the devil,